Let's now look at a few situations at the workplace and see what we can learn from them.
Arundhati, did you courier the document to the client yesterday?
Which document, sir?
The one which I sent you at 10 o'clock in the morning. I also told that it's very urgent. I had emailed the address of the client to you too.
Oh, I didn't do that yesterday, sir. I didn't realize it was that urgent. I'll do it today, sir. I was very busy yesterday, sir. I just didn't get the time to check my email.
I just can't believe this, Arundhati. I'm certain that I was clear that the document needs to be delivered to Mr. Lokesh by today morning.
Sir, I don't remember you telling me that it was urgent, sir.
That is the reason why I sent you an email too.
Sir, I just didn't find time to check my email yesterday, sir. You should have at least reminded me, no?
I can't believe you can be this careless. I have to apologize to Mr. Lokesh now. This is very unacceptable and very irresponsible from you.
I did not know the urgency of the job, sir. If I had known, I would have done it myself and without delay. I don't see how any of this is my fault.
Leave it. I will send it myself. I don't trust you that you'll send that in time. Now, go. Get back to your work.
Pradeep is a junior designer with a construction company that designs office spaces. Pradeep, his two teammates and their manager are discussing a project that Pradeep has designed.
So team, here, this is the design that Pradeep has put together. Take a look.
Have you made any provisions for a fire escape?
Yeah. It's here. Here, right beside the lift, there is provision for staircase plan.
Pradeep, this is a really good plan.
I think we could make some more improvements.
Yeah, that's right. That'll be great. So can you help me with some examples?
Sure. I was wondering what you think about maybe having a lawn or a garden up front, considering that many offices these days have a space for employees to relax.
Okay, so I really appreciate your suggestion, Shreya. And if you see, I have a hallway, a small hallway with the plants and terrace garden that's included in the plan. But I need to figure out how I can incorporate this suggestion.
Any other views, team? Alright then. Pradeep, why don't you sit with Shreya and explore the options of the lawn?
Yes.
And let's finalize this tomorrow and send it off.
Sankirti is a junior programmer in an IT company. She completed 1 year with this company. During the yearly appraisal, she was denied promotion. She is angry and disappointed. So she sets up a meeting with her manager to ask the reasons.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Sankirti. Please sit down.
Thank you for taking the time to speak to me today.
Not at all, Sankirti. It's my job to answer your questions. Tell me.
So the thing is, I have completed all of my deadlines this year. I've worked really hard this year. And I thought I would get a promotion for that. But I haven't been promoted, so I'm here to find out why that is so.
Sankirti, to move up to the next level, in your case it's a senior programmer, you would need a few more IT skills. We definitely need skills around advanced programming languages. Apart from that, one needs to be able to speak to customers and whenever needed, put in a few extra hours to help the team achieve its goals.
Okay, so I have to learn advanced programming languages and I have to gain some experience interacting with clients.
And you can start by accompanying your team leader so you can get to learn these things. And now, here is another situation. Let's look at some employees looking at a grammatically incorrect sentence.
Oh God, just look at this email I've received. It's so difficult to understand what he's trying to say. Myself, Praveen Chauhan, requesting you to kindly please be reading this proposal. I don't even, and he just goes on and on.
We love our mother tongue. At the workplace, however, it can prove to mess things up.
तो ऑलमोस्ट वीकेंड हो गया, अब तो कुछ करना ही होगा.
कुछ भी करके खत्म करना ही होगा. तो आज दोपहर तक तो काम, आपका काम तो होना ही है.
हाँ जी श्रीनी जी, यू डू वन थिंग, एक काम समरी जो है ना और ग्राफिक्स जो पेपर का ग्राफिक्स है वो खत्म कर दो, बाकी तो हम लोग देख ही लेंगे.
हाँ, वो सब हम लोग देखेंगे.
अच्छा उस
I don't follow what you're saying.
Oh, sorry Srini, I forgot that you don't understand Hindi. Acha, can you take care of the summary and the graphics part of the paper?
Okay, I will.
Oh, thank you. So, we'll go and take care of the rest of the things. Come, yeah.
And now a situation where we don't wait for a complete action plan.
Yeah, Ramesh, you called.
Yes, Suresh. This is regarding a customer who's visiting us tomorrow.
Yeah, I know about that.
It's different this time.
Okay, tell me.
See, there are 10 of them, and we need to make hotel arrangements for them. They are Japanese, so we need to take good care of them.
Okay, I understood.
Airport pickup has to be arranged for them.
Now, let us bring a smile to your face. Watch it.
I'm quite happy with your resume.
Yes!
So, this is your feedback.
I don't believe this, sir. Of all the people in this office, I do all of the work and on time, and yet all you have to say to me is good. It's very, very disappointing, sir.
But
It's giving me, sir.